You guys, I am so excited for this, I can't even contain it. I have a big announcement. I'm putting together a Learn to Crochet the Easy Way Masterclass. And guess what? It's free! I decided to put together this free masterclass as a way to help more people learn about this craft. Crochet is so fun. It's an anxiety reducer. It helps you to be creative and gives your hands something to do. There are so many benefits of crochet, both mentally and physically, and I just want to share it with the world. And so that is why I'm here today. If you're brand new to crochet, it's not just for the fall and winter time. A lot of people think of crochet as only a way to make handmade gifts for friends and family during the holidays. Now, while that is a big part of crochet and a great way to spread handmade gifts, that's not the only thing that you can do with crochet. You can create hats, you can create blankets, amigurumi, stuffed animals, clothing. There are so many things that you can make. There are so many things that you can do. And I just want to share it all with you. And you can even learn how to sell your items and turn it into a side business. We're not going to talk about most of that in this class. In this course, we're just going to be covering the basics. There will be 14 days, 10 lessons, 2 projects, and we will start from the very beginning, talking about the basic materials, learning the 4 basic stitches, how to crochet in the round, how to read crochet patterns, and then we'll be making our very first project together. So if you're ready to start this course, grab a friend. You don't have to live down the street. She can live across the country. He could live across the globe. Just grab a friend, share this video with them, and learn how to crochet together. So let me answer a few questions that you might be asking. First, who is this course for? This masterclass is for someone who is absolutely brand new to crochet and needs to start from the very beginning. That's what we're going to do in this class. This course is also for someone who has dabbled in crochet or maybe tried it a long time ago and it just didn't work for them. This class is for you. We are going to cover each lesson step by step with both right and left-handed videos and picture tutorials. And this course is for you if you decided to pick up this hobby in quarantine and need to start from the beginning and really dive into all of the things that you can do and get started on the right foot. Is it free? Yes. The 14 videos that I will be releasing in this course will be free here on YouTube and will never be taken down, so you'll have access anytime you need them. However, I do have a full Learn to Crochet ebook that you can purchase. For every video in this course, there is a related page inside the ebook. There are over 70 pages filled with all of the detailed lessons, step-by-step picture tutorials for both right and left-handed. There are checklists, reference sheets, and both of the PDFs for the projects that we'll be making in this course. Plus, you will have access to all of these videos ad-free inside the Teachable platform. That's a pretty good deal to me. But that is totally optional, and you do not have to purchase the ebook to participate in this masterclass. How long is this course? This course is going to be 14 days long, including today. So today is August 1st, and we will be going from today to the next 13 days after. So a 2-week-long course, and I've tried to make each video under 20 minutes long so that it's easy to digest. Within the next 14 days, whether you're new to crochet or not, you will be completing 2 physical projects, and I'll teach you how to make hundreds more with just the stitches that we learn in this course. What if I'm left-handed? Well, lucky for you, I have created video tutorials that are both left and right-handed. All of my videos are going to be released as normal. I'm a righty, so all of my videos will be right-handed. However, if there's a video where there's a tutorial, like all of our basic stitch tutorials, I will leave a link in the description that will send you to the left-handed tutorial. So make sure that you always check the description if you're a lefty so you can see those videos. What patterns are included in this course? Together in this course, we will be making a washcloth and a scarf. So 2 super simple patterns, but both of these patterns were designed in a way that will further your skills and become a better crocheter before you start working on the harder patterns. At the end of this course, I will also share with you a bunch of different beginner-friendly patterns that you can start working on the next day. Do I have to watch all the videos all the way through? Yes. Now, of course you don't. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But I will say that I put so much work into these videos to help you understand everything that you need to know about crochet. So for your benefit, I would absolutely watch the entire video all the way through whenever you can find the time. I know that practicing isn't the most fun. It's not exciting. You just want to start making. I totally get it. Even I was the same way when I first started out. But if you jump ahead or you don't actually try to follow my instruction, it's not going to work out as easily as it would if you follow each of these videos through the end of each video. Inside all of my videos, I try my best to incorporate all of my best tips, and I really like to jam-pack these videos with information. So if you're not watching the full video, you're going to miss out on a lot of really great tips and practical information that you need to know. Don't you already have a masterclass? Yes, I do. But my problem is that I have never actually offered this masterclass full price. I don't feel like that's me. That's not what I want to do with my time. I want to be able to share this craft with as many people as possible, whether they can afford it or not. Before I learned how to crochet, I was in a pretty dark place and I didn't know how I was going to get out of it. And when I went to the craft store and I found this oddly shaped hook, I thought, what in the world is this? And I went home, I learned how to do it. It's been about almost 5 years now, and it has drastically changed my life for the better. Even the first few months after I started crocheting, it completely changed my entire mindset. I was so much more positive and my anxiety was way lower. My stress level was way lower. If that is what I experienced from learning how to crochet, then that is what I'm trying to give to you. And that is why I decided to create this whole masterclass and to make it free. If someone was in a place where I was and crochet could help bring them out of it, that is my goal. And even if you're not in a place where you're depressed or anxiety ridden, crochet is just so much fun, and there are so many possibilities and so many things that you can do with it, including turning it into a side business or just making all of the beautiful things that you possibly can, or turning your whole wardrobe into crochet garments. The possibilities are endless, and my goal is to share that. I think that's about all the questions, but if you have any more, please leave them in the comments below and I will be happy to answer them. I would love for you to sign up for my email list where I send weekly tips, free pattern updates, and access to my free Facebook group, the Crochetedy Bunch. We would love to have you. So I'll leave a link in the description where you can sign up for my newsletter. Now, one last bit of encouragement for you before you go. Just know that when we're going through this course, you are not going to make everything perfect. That is not the point of this course. The point of this course is to learn how to make the stitches, and then as you practice, the better you'll get. Once we get into the course and we start learning how to make swatches of different stitches, I really want to encourage you to keep these swatches. Please don't rip out any of your stitches. You'll want to keep these for the future so you can look back and see how far you've come. So I really want you to do that, and I would love so much if you posted your pictures on social media. Remember, these do not have to be perfect. Everybody starts somewhere, and it's amazing to see where you were when you first started and how far you've come. If you want me to hold you accountable, post your pictures on Instagram and tag me at Sigoni Macaroni, and I will come over there and celebrate your beginning. And you can also use the hashtag LTC Challenge so we can see everybody's swatches and projects throughout this course. And LTC means Learn to Crochet. I am seriously so excited about this masterclass, and I hope you are too. Definitely grab a friend or someone who you want to learn with and do it along with them, because it's always more fun with a friend. And if you don't have anybody to share this experience with, then just come hang out with me. I'm always on Instagram sharing behind the scenes and replying to DMs, and I love interacting with you guys. So come hang out with me on Instagram. I would love to see all of your progress and celebrate with you as you go. Well, that's it for my little Learn to Crochet the Easy Way masterclass announcement. I can't wait to go on this 14-day adventure with you. I'll leave all the links for the videos in this course down below, as they come out. So if they aren't out yet, they won't be in there, but as soon as they come out, I will be listing each of them as we go. That way you can find them all in one place.